Hello everybody, I'm in Bexley at a new joint called Sydney Sizzlers, and I'm about to go inside, have something to eat, do a little bit of a food review for you guys here so you know what it's all about. Check this signage out, man.
Smash beef sizzling, crispy at the edge. Power burger stack like it's making a pledge. Cheese beef rasher, fried egg on top. When the hunger starts talking, mate, this is the start. Beef bomb loaded, double sizzle comes through. NYC rice bowls packed for the crew. Corn dogs loaded fries, wraps roll tight for its word, bringing big flavor all night. Make it sizzle, make it loud. Sydney Sizzlers feeding up the crowd. Burgers stacked and the chips piled high. Bexley, grab a box and satisfy.
Wow. They've got thick shakes here, Nutella, caramel, strawberry, banana thick shakes. They've got gelato that you just saw. And what I'm gonna order is a Sizzler box. It's a chicken burger, chicken tenders, fries, and a drink. Let's get into one of those. All right, wow, check this out. This is a Sizzler box and it comes with a burger. Oh, proper burger, look at that. Can you guys see this? Look at this. 2 patties in there, lettuce, tomato, special sauce in there as well. It also comes with a side of this special sauce. Oh, wow. That's surprising. It's like a chili mayo type of sauce. It's got a bit of a sting to it, but it's so nice. Okay. And we have a couple of chicken tenders in here also. So I think first up, let's try these tenders out. How good does that look? Oh man, these are definitely tender. I know what I call them chicken tenders. These are very tender indeed. Amazing. The breading on the outside is crunchy. It's tasty. It's got a certain type of seasoning. Some kind of secret herbs and spices that they're using here, but it's different. I haven't tasted anything quite like this. Oh man. Wow. These are awesome. Wow. All right. Now the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's check out this burger. Look at that. Look at that. And it's rich under here as well. Sorry, I don't mean to play with food, but this is incredible. Thank you, Lord, for this food. 1, 2, 3, check it out. It's just what you would expect. It's a definite pass from me. This is a great burger. The bun is nice, it's not too overpowering. Yeah, man. This is good. This burger is fantastic. Sorry for talking with my mouth full. This burger hits the spot. The star of the show for me are these chicken tenders. Man. And this sauce, buddy, nothing like it. Wow. The fries I lightly season. Now, what I like seasoning on them, that gives us this extra flavour. But they're great. Really good. Fortunately, the owners are not here. I always like to talk to the owner if I can. They're not here tonight, but I did get to talk to them a little bit earlier on, and they are going to put a special deal on Bayside Deals. So please be sure to check that out. BaysideDeals.com.au. If you're local, come into Sydney Sizzlers here in Bexley. Check it out. Have a try. Try their ice cream and thick shakes as well. And let us know how you like them. All right. Take care. Catch you later.